this video, I'm going to cover how to manipulate media that is already on the page and how to add media through the Ad Center. First, we'll start with manipulating this welcome introduction right here. So you can click on it, and you'll notice that this little box appears. So you can click on Edit Text, or you can simply double-click into the text box, and it'll allow you to edit it. Now, say you don't like this font, you can go ahead and change it to fonts within your font scheme by clicking on this right here. Say if I clicked Title, it changes its format and its font. However, we might want to change it back a little bit, so we might want to center that through here, change its color, and make it a little bit larger. The other thing we can do is we can go ahead and highlight this part, because this isn't an LGBTQ youth center, this is a class website. So we might want to add our class website name. With other media on the page, you can go ahead and double click and edit it however you please. For example, we might change this to office hours. However, that becomes no longer centered within its little circle and alignments, so we might change the size of this box by simply dragging and dropping with the double arrows. Now with the 4 arrows, we might be able to click and drag to place it wherever on the page we want. With other media on the page that you might not care for, you could easily just click on the media and press delete on your keyboard, or you can click the media and link it to something else, a different page, possibly. Or you can change its style. Or you can change its settings. And you can do this for every different page within your website. Now say you want to add some media as well. If we wanted to add another image, you can select from several different types right here. It allows you to get an image without a frame, an image with a frame, or some clip art. Now if we add an image with a frame, it might change how the image looks. For example, since this aligns with what page's theme is with circles, it changes it to a circle. It defaults whatever image into the image selection, but you can easily change that by right-clicking on it and going to change image. Excuse me. Now you can upload your own, or you can choose one from the ones Wix provides. So you want to change it to this hummingbird. You can also edit the image by using these options that Wix provides. So you could add effects to the image. You might say apply. You could draw on the image. Select from whichever brush size and whichever color you'd like to select. And possibly just draw on it. You can also click cancel if you decide you don't like what you put there. And you might click save on the image. Just give it a minute to load, and it changes the image right where it is. And then you might click back to add link at the top here. You might want to add some text.